Well, the answer to that is yes and no. So what Worldfirst does, just so you're aware, is when you make a sale on, for instance, Amazon.com, and you are in Australia, you will make your sales in US dollars, but you get paid in Australian dollars, and that exchange between US dollars and Australian dollars Amazon takes care of for you, but they charge you a terrible exchange rate to do that. When they change things from US dollars to Aussie dollars, the exchange rate they give you is terrible, okay? And that's one of the ways, just one of many ways, that Amazon makes extra cash, all right? So what you do instead is you use a company like, for me, I use OFX, because I just think OFX are bloody brilliant. And plus, Ed Wiley, who is the BDM for OFX, is a really top bloke, and they're doing some exciting stuff with Amazon. And also Ed Wiley sells on Amazon as well. He knows what he's doing. So so I use OFX. I think they're absolutely fantastic. Anyway, so that's where they make their money. So if you are selling on Amazon.com.au and getting paid in Australian dollars, and then that money is transferred into your Australian bank account, then you do not need a company like OFX. You don't need a company like that, all right? The only time you would use a company like OFX, well, there's two instances. The first instance would be when you need to get paid in the marketplace's currency. So for instance, when you need to get paid in US dollars and you don't have a US bank account, that's how you would set that up through a company like OFX or Worldfirst. And also when you are selling in a marketplace like America, but your bank account is in Australia, so you need to have the money transferred from US dollars into Aussie dollars, that's when you'd use it too. But outside of that, Rich, you're right, mate, you don't need it. But as soon as you do, and you will, I would suggest you use OFX or Worldfirst or something like that. But Ed is a top bloke. Actually, I'm going to get Ed to come and have a chat with everybody, because he's a really good guy and really understands the Amazon space too. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.